Yun?
Baka golden.
Okay.
About San
Alright.
Fernando. Hello, San Fernando? San Fernando? Okay, I guess hindi na tayo
Wala nga
naririnig.
siya.
Okay, Quirino Poblacion, can you hear me? Quirino Poblacion? San Fernando? San Fernando? Okay, wala na.
Okay, I think we're good.
We're good. All right. And so we proceed to our final question. And reminder once again, Fontina, to our audience, right? Na while our candidate or lady is answering the question, mingaw po mun akit tanana. We would like to request everybody na wara mun magliliya mintras nag-a-answer an aton kandidata.
Yes.
Of course, for our judges to hear their answer clearly.
All right.
So we
let's
begin.
go.
We begin with H. Hole-Hole, Poblacion Purok 3. Right. Your question, the question is, if given the chance to speak to the whole world, what would you proudly tell them about Las Navas? Again, if given the chance to speak to the whole world, what would you proudly tell them about Las Navas?
Thank you. As a proud student and daughter of Las Navas, I really believe that our town isn't just a dot on the map. It's a jewel waiting to be discovered. We are living in this generation where technology rises and everybody has an access to social media. And as one united Las Navas non, let us use social media platforms to share the captivating stories, images, and videos that highlighting the breathtaking beauty and wonder of our land. And I really believe that with that will prove that Las Navas isn't just a destination. It's a feeling. And when the world feels our pride, they'll come wanting to experience what's in our town. Thank you.
Like that, Las Navas is not a destination, but a feeling. Thank you so much, H.
Thank you
Hole-Hole,
so
Poblacion Purok 3.
much.